Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
All right, guys, to start buying from Yupoo using Hoobuy, first open Yupoo in your browser and browse through different albums to find the product you want. Yupoo doesn't have a cart or checkout system, so you'll need to copy the link of the specific product page you're interested in. Next, head over to Hoobuy.com and sign in or create a new account if you don't have one. Once you're logged in, go to the DIY order section, paste the Yupoo product link into the field provided, and set the price to 1 for now. This is just a placeholder. Then in the remark box, type out the full details of the product like the item name, size, color, and any other specifics. Submit your request, and a Hoobuy agent will contact the seller on your behalf. Once they confirm the product's availability and price, Hoobuy will update your order accordingly. You'll get a notification to confirm and make the payment once the details are set. You can choose your preferred shipping method during checkout. After the payment is made, Hoobuy will purchase the item for you, store it in their warehouse, and then ship it to your address when you're ready. Make sure to check the photos Hoobuy provides after receiving the item to confirm everything's correct before requesting delivery.